Hello, today we are gonna eat Subway. And just for $6.99 you can get the sandwich, the drink, and the side. So I picked chips. So this is the sandwich for the day. It's the sweet onion chicken teriyaki sandwich. And this is how the sandwich looks like. It has lettuce, tomato, sweet onions, and also the chicken, of course. It has the teriyaki sauce, cheese, and I added honey mustard and mayo to it. Just to let you know, I think I'm making a mess in my car, but I think it's worth it. So this is the sandwich, and let's try it. So good. I really like teriyaki, and I would say 10 out of 10 for this sandwich. Is really, really good. And also let's try the sweet tea. It's perfect. And also I bought the snack. It's the churro. And then it's a footlong churro. So, and just for $2, I just wanted to try and see how it was. So it's this one. Look at this. It's so long. Let's try it. This churro is amazing. It's so good. The sugar on point, you know, it's delicious. 11 out of 10. Cheers.